Alright, now guys, you should do one thing every single day that scares you. So you know what that means? It's time to go on a little adventure. Okay, so guys, we're at Animal Kingdom right now. We're on top of Everest, and we got a lot to do today.
Good stuff.
I hope you guys are ready for an exciting day. Whew. Alright, so we're in the land of Pandora right now. We're gonna get something to eat. I'm being a little cheap. I had to get the kids meal because I do not make enough. But I did get that apple juice to celebrate Keith and the fancy little blueberry cheesecake. Time for the blueberry. Alright, so Jared thought it'd be a good idea for me to try this, you know? To try the egg yolk blueberry thing. Tastes like a Flintstones vitamin to me. I should have gone with the chocolate. I'm gonna still say it's the best quick service in all of Disney World, but that blueberry thing, not a fan of. Okay, so we're at Animal Kingdom. We're gonna visit Chris. He picked up a shift at Animal Kingdom as a character attendant. Goofy hat, how's Chris doing? How's Chris doing? Is he doing good? Is it okay? How you holding up, buddy?
I'm pretty good.
Right. Did you make it here on time?
Yes, I did, surprisingly.
Okay, I'm proud of you.
A little late.
Terk, how are you doing today? You're doing good? All right, so I love watching the movie you're in. The music always gets me going. Do you have a good dance move that you like to groove to, some Phil Collins with? Well, you gotta think, okay. You got this. Oh, I like that. Oh, I'm loving it. Perfect. Miko, I heard you're the king of snacks, okay? Do you approve of this snack? Do you approve of... I'll bring the platter for you next time, I promise. I'm sorry. Next time. Are you having a good day? What snacks have you been munching on today? You like churros? Do you like little ones? Oh, you only like big churros. Rare Rabbit, I got a quick question for you. How do you feel about being the pioneer of the rose gold? Yeah, you started it all. You started the fad. All right, Jerry, what's the fun fact of the day?
So this is Expedition Everest.
Yeah.
Legend of the Forbidden Mountain. The tallest peak is actually the Forbidden Mountain. It's not technically Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the one off to the right, kind of behind it, with no snow on it.
So we're gonna venture into a place where Jared feels a little more comfortable, Africa. What's a good fact about Jared?
He likes trees. He's really good at folding napkins.
What? You and Dom need to have a fold-off then. Towels versus napkins. All right, Meg, what is one good fact about Jared?
That he's the most dreamy Wild Africa Trek guide.
Okay.
That is proven fact.
How should we sell the Safari Trek tour with Jared?
I mean, just look at this.
Just dreamy? All right, the party is getting more intense. We're now having jungle juice, complimentary.
Do I have to pour it for you?
Oh, I would be honored, so I don't have to pay $180. Oh, look at that, Jerry.
Killing it.
Some non-alcoholic jungle juice right there. All right, so we're not going to visit Jared at work because you're right here, and we don't make enough to pay to visit you because it's $100 and...
A lot.
Yes, so we're going to go for the budget tour of the free fast pass at Kilimanjaro Safari. Alright, so Jared was telling us a good fact. When you're on the safari trek, you want to sit on the left side because the left side is the best side. Like on the Matterhorn, Muppet Vision, left side, best side. Okay, so we're going on a mission to visit the baby tigers on the Maharaja Jungle Trek. Did I say that right? Maharaja?
Maharaja.
Oh, okay. What's a good fact about a Komodo dragon?
A good fact about the Komodo dragon?
Yes.
They're native to the island of Komodo.
Oh. So wait, what monkey is this?
They're called lion-tailed macaques.
And you don't have any facts about them?
I don't work in Asia. I work in Africa.
Time to go visit some bats. I know, Jared, you gotta have a fact about a bat.
They're fruit bats, so they're pollinators. No.
The bats eat the fruit,
No.
and then they poop out the seeds, and then
Yes.
stuff grows.
That's how it goes. Yes.
There you go. Now, the one thing nice about visiting Animal Kingdom this time of the year is it's not super hot, and it's actually manageable to go around these trails. Now, when the summertime comes, the humidity, oh, you're gonna be sweating. Is this it? Is this it? Are the babies out? Look. I see him. Those little baby tigers are adorable. And you know what's even more adorable? The fact that Jared's gonna tell us right now. About tigers.
About tigers?
Yeah.
Well, these particular ones are Sumatran tigers.
Oh.
Which are the smallest species that you can find.
How cute was that fact? Oh, there's more.
They're the smallest species of tiger, but they have the largest canine teeth of any of the tiger species.
Hey, Jared, we have a non-animal fact.
Yeah.
I don't know if you're prepared. Okay. What is this down here?
You like lift it up, and there's this little crank, and it opens up the trap door.
So like,
that the tigers
like
can go.
National Treasure 2, where they just did a spinny
Yeah,
thing and the
kind of.
door opens.
It's exactly like that.
I think the National Treasure's here at Disney. That's what Walt built this on top of.
Maybe.
His frozen head's in
Yes,
there. That's
yes.
a prized possession.
Exactly.
Do you know where Walt's frozen head is?
Please do not. Oh
Okay,
gosh, you're
okay.
his roommate.
Okay.
I know that.
Okay, so Jared is giving us animal facts today.
Okay.
Can you give us a good fact about Jared?
He didn't have a strawberry until he was a wilderness explorer.
What's a good fact about the water buffalo over here?
They're related to cows.
Is there any way to get milk or like cheese?
Yeah,
like
so if
water
you've ever
buffalo?
had buffalo mozzarella, it comes from a water buffalo.
I just love, like, Animal Kingdom is so well designed. Joe Rody, you're the man. Just like, oh, look how beautiful it is. Okay, so we heard that Kermit was calling Miss Piggy in here. Oh, there he is. This is by far the most bizarre. The turtle man, but he's like looking up. It's like they're Siamese turtle men. Okay, so a guy named Casimir Thor thinks it's a tomb, and then Sharon thinks it's a fertility god. So we'll see what this actually is. We gotta find a guy named Paul, apparently. Now, I'm kind of scared of birds right now after what happened at Magic Kingdom. I felt something hit my head. Do I have poop in my hair?
Yes.
I have poop in my hair.
Yes. Right.
Yeah. Okay. Is it?
Touch it.
It's right there?
Right there.
Yeah, it's a magical surprise. Scuttle, I would like to thank you for doing the character meet and greet on my head right now. Yep. So there's a statue in there. Thor and Sharon didn't know what the statue was in the building before. They said you would know. Do you know?
That, believe it or not,
Okay.
that is actually a burial symbol of an Asian burial plot. The fertility gods are actually out here at the exit.
But the fertility gods are on the way out. That's, you know, they saved the best for last.
Oh, okay.
I'm guessing this is the fertility god.
Don't touch it.
What happens? Do I get pregnant if I touch it?
Yeah. Duh.
Many months later.
You gotta push now.
I don't wanna. No.
Stop complaining and push now.
Fine. How does it look?
You got an ugly baby.
Is there any way you could tell me a fun fact about the stroller watering hole right here? They all come and gather here.
Well, everybody wants to give us their kids apparently.